Looks like most of the weekend will be dry, but there could be some small storm chances coming back. I think the chance is very small tonight, but if there is a chance, it's between about 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. late tonight, as maybe a couple of showers or a weak thunderstorm, if they do form in the mountains of Mexico, come northeastward into the valley. But there's not much out there right now besides a couple small showers way over there in the mountains of Mexico. And then tomorrow, I think most of the day looks pretty dry, but tomorrow night and then Sunday morning and midday, there might be a couple more showers or storms popping up. Even later in the afternoon as another disturbance moves across Texas, but the most widespread rain and storms will be north of the valley. So if you're traveling north, we'll show you the travel forecast next half hour, but it does get stormier more likely the farther you go to the north. And if there are any storms, at least the better chances to the north of hail and strong winds, but it's springtime, so you never know. If you do get an unexpected strong storm trying to roll in, you may have that possibility, especially on Sunday, and maybe a random storm that could have a little bit of hail or strong winds. But again, the bigger threat is way to the north. You can see on the satellite radar, hardly anything out there now. A couple little showers just forming way over there in the mountains of Mexico, but no big storms out there. However, when we look at the severe weather outlook tonight, this is from the Storm Prediction Center. All this area of South Texas, Southeast Texas in the valley, and just what we call the general thunderstorm outlook, meaning there could be an ordinary thunderstorm in there somewhere. But you get farther to the northwest, and there's a risk of severe storms closer to Del Rio and to the north through San Angelo near the Midland area. Some showers and storms could be more intense there overnight tonight. Now, tomorrow, your day planner, again, overall looks pretty dry during the day. Starts off kind of mostly cloudy in the morning, in the 70s, very humid, near 90 in the afternoon. I think the sun will break through more tomorrow than today, so that should get temperatures hotter, up close to 90 degrees in many areas. Of course, still probably in the 70s if you are going to be at the island tomorrow. And then tomorrow night, there could be a couple showers or storms later tomorrow night, but the better chance may spill into Sunday morning or so. But just like I said, kind of watch the weather. That's why I told you back on the 5 o'clock news. Watch the weather. Break out the KRGV weather app or tune us in over the weekend if you are going to head out, just to see if any storms are trying to pop up and move in. But most of the weekend, especially tomorrow, looks pretty dry. But Future Track tonight, again, has not much going on out there. You see, it does have a couple of showers racing to the northeast overnight toward midnight, or maybe a dying thunderstorm. But again, this is iffy whether anything will form and hold together at all. The air overall is pretty stable in the valley. Then tomorrow we see the sunshine comes out for a while. Then on Saturday night you start to pick up maybe another shower storm trying to come in from the southwest, but the better chance may be on Sunday as the disturbance rolls across Texas, and you see Future Track does have a couple showers or storms beginning to form by afternoon, but a lot of this isn't going to be widespread or all day type rain. And the broad picture here again shows most of the storms tonight and tomorrow morning in West Texas and well to the north. So if you are driving north over the weekend, taking a little road trip, you could run into some big storms in the hill country and eventually into Southeast Texas later on Sunday. You see another round of storms here. Could be heavy to the north toward Houston and near Alice, north of Corpus Christi. So that area you want to watch out for storms. Once this next front rolls through, it's not really a cold front. It's more like a less humid front. Once that comes through on Monday morning, then any rain chance goes away and the humidity falls a little bit. But temperatures, as you see in your first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, they are staying hot. After this weekend, we're still around 86 on Sunday, but 90 on Monday, 91 on Tuesday, 96 on Wednesday. Could be rather breezy that day. The hottest temperatures that day likely in the Western Valley. And by late in the week, that's not a typo. We weren't going to type 97. Actually 79. It may cool off late next week with another cold front. Keep an eye on that in your first 1-5 forecast later this hour on Channel 5 News at 6.